part 2, along with upper rack. I accidentally stopped the last video too early, but all that cutlery and plates, all in here and all in there, so it's all good. So now let's show you these pots. Look. Oh, water. Look at that. Perfect. And then there's this one. I have to say, that dishwasher's done a really good job. But now let's just look at the upper rack before I go. Absolutely lovely. And it did this really quietly. You probably saw the video of the dishwasher where it was virtually silent. You could not hear it. I had to put my phone right underneath the cupboard door just to get you to hear the dishwasher because it was that quiet. And there's bowls as well. See, so all in short, everything has come out clean. So yeah. So now I will go. See you in the next video.